Alright guys, Biff here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be featuring the HORI fighting stick. お前はもう死んでいる. I've always been a fan of fighting games ever since I was a kid. Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat, Killer Instinct, King of Fighters, Dragon Ball Z, name it all. Fortunately, I suck. Sometimes I come home with a very red thumb. I really enjoyed watching people play doing combos using the arcade stick. I was really fascinated because I'm very used to playing with this. My father used to ask me, "Why are you watching people play video games? Video games are meant to be played." Rotten boy. Okay, just do your homework. No more watching people play video games. I will go to the living room now. It's already starting. NBA Finals Game 7. I don't want to miss that. Inspired by Daigo-sama, I decided to buy myself a new arcade fighting stick. The thing is, arcade sticks are not cheap. They range from 1,000, 3,000, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, 15, 20 or more thousand. So I got an option to buy the Canva drone, HORI Mini, May Flash. But finally I settled with this PS4-129 HORI fighting stick. Actually belongs to the low tier variety. It's not the cheapest, but it's actually in the far end of the cheapest option. The HORI brand has been around for quite some time now, and the PS4-129A HORI fighting stick was just released this June of 2019. Unbox it now! The item came in a lightly padded bubble wrap packaging. Box dimensions are 32 by 26 by 13 cm. It weighs around 1.61 kilograms. Though I haven't seen this model yet on the HORI USA website, it's now available on the HORI Japanese website with a base price of 9,980, almost 10,000 yen, around 4,634 pesos. I got mine from LAZADA for 3,995 pesos. This stick is PS4, PS3, and PC compatible. Most of the prints are in Japanese, so nani? Nani? The manual comes in 4 languages: English, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. This is it, pansit! The dimensions are 30 by 22.5 plus 3.5, overall 26 centimeters. Outside the button is 2.5. Overall weight of the product is 1.178. The stick has a very shiny acrylic finish. It's a fingerprint magnet. I don't really like the design, but who cares? The stick has a square gate. The button layout is intended for PlayStation consoles. The bonus part for this stick is the audio jack. If you want to use 3.5mm headphones. The back has a matte finish, model number and serial numbers. Wow, a cable compartment with magnetic cover. It comes with a standard USB 2.0. The length is roughly around 3 meters. They also have this very cool cable management design. Again, the magnetic cover. And lastly, the magnetic cover. They have these rubber non-slip pads. And yay, finger grips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finally, covered by the sticker, the 10th screw for future modding. Okay, final thoughts. I'm still a novice, but I really like this firing stick. What I don't like about this stick is this acrylic finish. This is a fingerprint magnet. What I like about this stick, clicky stick, responsive buttons, cable management, this one, magnetic cover. Magnetic cover. Ganahan siya magawas. Magnetic cover, non-slip pads, the hand grips, and also the possible modding options. I will also put a link in the description. There is a manual for modding this thing from the HORI website. Lastly, for the PC users, I have myself my Omen having Windows 10 64-bit. When I plug this on the USB port, automatically detected. However, I've been using DS4 Win, already installed 360 controller drivers. I've been using my PS4 for my games. But if you're having trouble installing the driver, I will also put the link in the description, tips from the HORI website. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. This is my new love. Bye! Okay, now for the final question. Did this make me a good fighter? No, I still suck, but it definitely made me a better gamer.